Welcome to my channel. If you are here for the first time, make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe to stay updated with my latest drawings. Today I am working on a piece inspired by the Legend of Hanuman series. I used this for reference photo but made some adjustments, especially in the position of the ram, changing the height slightly to suit my composition. I am doing this entirely freehand, starting with the outline. I have used oil pastel colors and pencil to add depth and detail. If you enjoyed watching this drawing come to life, please don't forget like, comment, share and subscribe. Your support means a lot.